Hello friends, this is Jordan Strange. She's a freshman at the University of Alabama and lives on campus. So today we're going to show you her dorm tour.
I like that, yeah. Hello, welcome to Tutwiler. This is my room. Fun. This is my bed. This is where I sleep every night. Excuse the really janky pictures on the wall. It started out all covered and then the humidity curled all of the ends of every single picture. And so we started to take them down and never finished. But my grandmother made these quilts. They're really beautiful. She did an A+ job. And she made the pillows too with these nice little zippers. Anyways, this is a couch. A nice couch. We have in each dorm a microwave and a fridge. And my grandmother also made this little picture of Africa. I love Africa. With little elephants and an African tree and a little chalkboard. This is a mirror, and this is our little section of things. This is my jewelry, coffee, hot chocolate and tea, baking stuff for when I never bake, and a bunch of drawers. Now I started out with a roommate, and these would be one for each person, but I don't have a roommate anymore. So, we have all of the drawers. Also, because I don't have a roommate, there are two closets. First one is clothes and junk. Quick Oats. And clothes. All of the things you need in life in one. This is the second closet. This is what they look like with nothing in them. You have four handy dandy shelves, some racks, and this. Oh! And a squiggly mirror. The most janky thing ever. There are also two desks. This is the first one, complete with drawer and desk. It holds my pens and pencils and printer. And there's a shelf up there for all the other janky things. This is the second desk area, complete with a sign that was not stolen from a real road. Some lights, a computer, more drawers, and a lamp for studying. This is my favorite part of the dorm. It is a very big, beautiful, bright window. I never put the blinds down. Complete with fake flowers that I did not steal from an RV park. Candles that are allowed in a dorm room. And books. And prayer requests. And a rose from my dear friend Cecilia. And there's community bathrooms right across the hall. They're 110% the best bathrooms on campus. Complete with pale pink walls, 3 bathrooms, and 3 showers, and 4 sinks, and a whole area with a large mirror that nobody uses to do their makeup. I love Tutwiler, and it's really great to live with people. You see people all the time going back and forth, and there's 14 floors, great view of the university, and the sky, and the sunrises are also amazing. Also, Tutwiler is 90% sorority girls, which is so fun. You get to see all of the girls, all of the people from all of the sororities. You get to meet a lot of people who are very different. And it is wild. It is very wild. But I love it, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. Thank you for watching our video. We're so glad that you could tour Tutwiler with us today. Have a wonderful week.